You know this happens to everyone. Your business is humming along, and then all of a sudden, a bank of lighting goes out. What do? Well, perhaps you call the maintenance guy, or you have to call an electrician, or you might not do anything right away if you can still see. But think about what this is costing you. Your maintenance guy earns a nice salary and has good benefits. The electrician charges up to $100 an hour, and a poorly lit area isn't attractive to customers or productive for your employees. And you have hundreds of lights in your facility. Not exactly inexpensive, is it? The good news, though, is that this is an expense that Energy as a Service can outright eliminate. When Onsite Utility Services Capital provides your facility with no investment energy efficiency upgrades, we also continue to provide ongoing maintenance of the new equipment. This means that if a light burns out or a control malfunctions, we'll be there to replace it on our dime, not yours. Imagine not having to have such a large maintenance staff, or always having a well-lit and inviting facility that entices and inspires customers and employees. That is what Energy as a Service can afford your business. Whether you operate a 60-story high-rise, 2 million square foot warehouse, or the corner restaurant on Main Street, you'll have the savings in your pocketbook and the peace of mind that your lights and equipment will always be operating.